Hello everyone. Hope you enjoyed the previous videos on homophones and how a single word can replace the use of very plus some other word. Today's last video on vocabulary builders is on homonyms and homographs. Let's get started. Look at the screen carefully and register what each term means and then identify them in the examples used. I hope you have guessed it correct. Have you guessed it? Let's try this. Now what are these? Homonyms or homographs? In order to identify, we have to go back to the screen where the three terms were defined individually and quickly identify these. I hope you're not getting confused. Let's revise, recap, recollect what these three terms mean. I hope it is clear. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.